Welcome to this informative video about mastering your finances in your 20s. We'll walk you through a 10-step plan to help you achieve your financial goals and secure a bright future. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a budget. The first crucial step in taking control of your financial well-being is to establish a comprehensive budget. This starts with a thorough examination of your income and expenses, providing you with a clear picture of your financial foundation. Begin by diligently tracking your earnings and expenditures, enabling you to identify where your money is going each month. Once you have a grasp of your financial baseline, it's essential to allocate a portion of your income to cover essential expenses such as rent or mortgage payments, utility bills, and groceries. A commonly recommended budgeting guideline is the 50 to 25 to 2000 rule, where 50% of your income goes towards necessities, 30% to discretionary spending, and 20% to savings, though these percentages can be adjusted to suit your individual financial goals and circumstances. By creating and adhering to a well-structured budget, you can achieve financial stability and work towards your financial objectives. Step 2. Build an emergency fund. Emergency fund serves as a financial safety net designed to cushion you against unforeseen expenses or the possibility of unexpected job loss. The general guideline is to aim for a savings buffer equivalent to at least 3 to 6 months' worth of your living expenses, carefully stashed away in an easily accessible account. To initiate this process, consider starting with a modest but achievable goal, like saving $500, and progressively augmenting this amount until you attain the target of having 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses covered. Building this emergency fund not only provides peace of mind, but also ensures that you are financially prepared to weather unexpected storms that life may throw your way, ultimately fostering greater stability and security in your financial future. Step 3. Pay off high-interest debt. Start this by prioritizing the repayment of credit card debt and loans burdened with unreasonable interest rates. By allocating larger payments towards these debts, you not only rush your journey to becoming debt-free, but also significantly reduce the total interest charges over time. It's a wise strategy to begin by focusing on eliminating the credit card debt with the highest interest rate, as this can have a substantial impact on your overall financial health. Step 4. Establish good credit. Building a positive credit history involves several key practices, such as consistently paying your bills on time, which demonstrates reliability and responsibility to creditors. Additionally, it's crucial to use credit cards judiciously, steering clear of maxing them out to avoid potential debt traps. An exemplary strategy in this regard is to utilize your credit card for modest, manageable purchases and diligently pay off the entire balance each month. This approach not only showcases your ability to manage credit responsibly, but also contributes to the gradual accumulation of a favorable credit history. By prioritizing good credit, you enhance your financial standing and open doors to future opportunities for loans, mortgages, and other financial endeavors, all while bolstering your overall financial well-being. Step 5. Start investing early. It's imperative to initiate your investments early to harness the power of compound interest. One effective strategy involves channeling your resources into retirement accounts such as a 401k or an individual retirement account. By doing so, you not only secure a financial safety net for your future, but also capitalize on the compounding effect, where your investments generate earnings on both the initial capital and the accumulated interest over time. Furthermore, diversification plays a vital role in managing risk within your investment portfolio. Spreading your investments across a variety of asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, can help mitigate the impact of market volatility on your overall wealth. Step 6. Set financial goals. Financial goals serve as vital guiding lights, offering direction, focus, and motivation as you navigate your financial path. For instance, you might set a short-term goal, such as saving $5,000 for an upcoming vacation, providing a tangible target to work towards in the near future. Simultaneously, establishing a long-term goal, like saving $100,000 for a down payment on a home, allows you to envision a more significant milestone on the horizon, motivating disciplined financial planning and investment decisions. By articulating and prioritizing these financial goals, You empower yourself to take purposeful steps in managing your finances, thereby ensuring a more secure and prosperous future. Step 7. Learn about investing. It is crucial to invest time and effort in expanding your understanding of various investment avenues, including but not limited to stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Equipping yourself with comprehensive knowledge about these options empowers you to make informed decisions that align with your financial goals and ethical values. Engaging in self-education by reading books, enrolling in online courses, or delving into reputable financial resources can be invaluable in this pursuit. Furthermore, considering consultation with a seasoned financial advisor can provide tailored insights and guidance, ensuring that your investment strategies are well-informed and aligned with your individual circumstances and aspirations. Step 8. Build multiple income streams. It's essential to focus on building multiple income streams as a means to support your financial security and stability. This entails progress into various avenues such as side hustles, freelancing, or passive income opportunities. By doing so, you not only increase your overall income, but also reduce the risk associated with relying solely on one source of revenue. For instance, you could kickstart a freelance gig where your skills and expertise are put to use to earn extra income. Additionally, investing in dividend stocks can yield consistent returns over time, further diversifying your income. These multiple income streams not only provide financial flexibility, but also offer a safety net during economic uncertainties, ultimately strengthening your financial foundation. Step 9. Protect yourself with insurance. It is necessary to shield yourself against unforeseen financial burdens by acquiring various types of insurance. This includes investing in health insurance to cover medical expenses, ensuring you have auto insurance to safeguard against potential vehicle-related mishaps, and obtaining renter's insurance to protect your belongings and liability as a tenant. By comprehensively addressing your insurance needs, you create a robust safety net that ensures your financial stability, giving you peace of mind in the face of life's uncertainties. Step 10. Review and adjust. It's essential to consistently evaluate your financial situation to ensure it remains in alignment with your goals and aspirations. By doing so, you can promptly identify any necessary adjustments to your strategies and objectives. Moreover, don't underestimate the power of celebrating your achievements along the way, as this can serve as a motivating force to sustain your financial journey's momentum. This proactive approach allows you to fine-tune your financial course, ensuring that you stay on track towards realizing your financial dreams and securing a stable and prosperous future. Remember, financial success is a journey, not a destination. Start today, stay disciplined, and watch your wealth grow over time. Your future self will thank you. That's all in this session. Hope this must have been helpful for you. See you in the next video.